Hello, welcome to another video tutorial using ClickAlgo Xen. For those of you that are first-time visitors, ClickAlgo Xen is a AI tool to help traders build automated trading systems, indicators, plugins, and other various tools for the cTrader trading platform. So what I'm going to demonstrate today is just to show you how to use the repair mode part of this tool, which is a fix build errors. So if for any reason you had a tool built with ClickAlgo Xen and it has lots of bugs, or if you've got a project that you got from somewhere else and you want to fix those bugs, this will show you how to fix the bugs in here without having to go to cTrader or Visual Studio or anything like that. So I'll go ahead and just show you what we've done. We've just converted a trading robot from MT4. You can see it here. We converted this for cTrader. We've done that already. And at the bottom, you can see this is the code that it produced. And it's C# code you can just put straight into cTrader. Now that came back with compilation errors because we did a verified build here. Now it showed you the various errors that are in the code that need fixing. Now there's two ways to fix the bugs. One is just to click on the fix errors here, but there is a faster way and a much better way to actually fix your bugs outside of this environment, and I'll quickly show you how to do it. If I click copy code and go to the fix build errors window. Now the repair mode window is a dedicated environment. It's more powerful for fixing any bugs you've got. You can just control V, put the code in here. I'm just going to change add a few more bugs. And so we've got a few more bugs. I'll just verify the build. I mean, it had bugs already, so this has got more bugs in there now, and it should fix the whole lot. Now, there's two ways to fix these bugs. One is just to click on the fix errors. That'll give one attempt, and then you have to verify build again. And on verify build again, maybe there's additional bugs that haven't been repaired. So that would come back and show the any remaining bugs. You then got to click fix errors again. There is a quicker way to do this using the repair mode, and that is to hold down your shift key and press fix errors in one go. Now, if I did that, what it will do, it will go and fix all the bugs, and it has 3 attempts. So it will go and fix the bugs, verify the build, fix the bugs, verify the build, fix the bugs. If after 3 attempts, it doesn't fix all the bugs, it'll ask you to use a more advanced model. It's on auto fix in attempt 2, because I created some extra bugs there. And it's gone ahead and tried to fix, it's gone to auto fix attempt 3. I hope it fails on 3 because I can just show you how to use a more advanced model, and that'd be a better demonstration. Oh, it built. Okay, so after 3 attempts, it actually finished and it built everything. So I hope you can see that you can actually use this tool and it does everything in the background. You can sit back, make a cup of tea until it's finished. Now, if you just click download the algo file, it will download the algo file. If you click on there, it'll open up cTrader and you can start using it straight away. Obviously, you'd want to backtest it and all the rest. I'll just minimize cTrader. Okay, so that worked correctly. The only other thing I want to explain is if for any reason it didn't fix after 3 attempts, use a more advanced model. Use something like Claude Haiku, Gemini Pro, Claude Sonnet, or one of the more advanced models. These have more of a chance of fixing your bugs in one go than the lighter weight models. Okay, that was the only video I wanted to show you today. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much.